Hi Year 2s, it's Mr. Russo and Lola. Today we're going to show you how to play 3 in a row lucky numbers. To play you'll need a number chart, up to 120 or 100 if you've got one, and 2 6-sided dice. Now if you don't have these equipment, you can always use a virtual version, so you can jump on it and find one online. Particularly number charts and dice, they're very easy to find online. Okay, so the goal of the game is to get 3 numbers in a row. If you play the extended version, you're trying to get 3 different 3 in a row. So that's the goal of the game, and this is how it works. So we start by rolling the dice. Lola, can you roll the dice? Lola's rolled 1 and 2. Now, Lola, can you show how you would represent that using multiplication? 1 times 2 in some way. Okay, Lola's written 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. Now, on your turn, you need to show your thinking in some way, okay? It doesn't matter if you do a number sentence, an array, group solve, some other method, but you need to show your thinking. It's part of the game. So can you mark number 2, which is going to be Lola's number to start with? Right, thanks, Lola. Okay, now I'm going to roll, and on my turn, I've rolled this is an interesting one, 6 and a 5. So I might go 6 5s. How might I work that out? I might create an array. I've got an array. I've got 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 6 rows in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, an array has to have the same numbers in our rows and columns. And I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Excellent. So I'm going to mark 30 on the number chart, and that's my first number. That's a not very good marker, so we'll try this one. Okay, fantastic. Lola, your turn to roll. Lola, you've rolled 1 and a 2 again. Now, can you show your thinking in some different way? Maybe not using a whiteboard marker, using...
Yeah.
So how are you going to show one group of 2, or 1 times 2? You can do an array, you can do anything. Now, even though Lola obviously already knows what this equals, she has to show her thinking or she misses her turn. But the good news is, Lola, 2's already taken, so it's a lucky number. It means Lola can choose any number on the board. Lola, which number would you like to choose? It's terrific. So Lola's got 2 and 3. She's got a 2 in a row. And now I'm rolling and I get, oh my gosh, what are the odds? I get a 1 and 2 as well. So I'm going to do what Lola did. Just do one group of 2. 2, of course, is a lucky number. I'm going to block Lola out. I'm going to take 4. Okay, Lola, your turn. What'd you get, Lols?
4.
No.
Oh, yeah. Well, 2 groups of 2.
2 groups of 2. So how would you show 2 groups of 2, Lols? So Lola's got to show 2 groups of 2 in some way. So she's writing 2. She's writing 2 groups of 2. She's writing it out. So there's all different ways you can do it. What does it equal though, darling? You need to put the solution in there as well. 2 groups of 2 equals 4. Now, Lola, 4's taken, so 4's a lucky number. What do you want to grab? Okay, so Lola's got a 3 in a row. Now, you can stop playing now, or you can keep going until someone's got 3 different 3 in a rows. So we might play a little bit longer, just for fun. So I've rolled 6 groups of 6. Now, this is a tricky one to work out. This is how I might work it out. I might go, okay, let's create my 6 groups. Oh, sorry, they're not very big groups. And I might make my groups, I might split my groups up. Someone else used this strategy when we played it as a class. because counting by sixes is hard, but counting by fives is easy. Counting by ones is easy. So I might go, and I've done it too small, and I apologise. I might go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 6 groups of 6 is 36. And I will take 36. So Lola, roll the dice again, bud. Oh, you've got 6 groups of 5.
Didn't you just have 6 groups of 5?
I did previously have 6 groups of 5, so that's going to be good for you. But you've got to work out what's 6 groups of 5. You need to show your thinking in some way.
I know it's 36 because you just
Okay, well let's check if it's 36.
Wait, is it 36?
Is it 36?
I'm trying to.
That was 6 groups of 6, remember?
Oh, that was 6 groups of 6. Okay.
This is 6 groups of 5.
Well, then I think it's 30.
You think it's 30? Okay, how can you show your thinking in some way?
Am I allowed to do it the same way as that? Or do I
You
have
can
to
do a number sentence, but you could do something more interesting that would show it, which would help someone else figure it out who wasn't sure, maybe. You can see Lola's going to be creating an array, I think. Okay, so Lola's got an array there. Lola, what's your array? Can you describe it?
6 by 5.
6 by 5. We often use that language to describe an array. So how are you going to work it out if it's 30?
Count by 5s.
Count by 5s. Great strategy.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Fantastic. So 30 is already taken, which means 30 is a lucky number, which means you can choose any number you like, Lola. What are you going to choose? What are you going to choose, bud? I would have done the same thing. 12 is a great number to choose. You've got so many chances of getting 3 in a row here.
There. Or there.
Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to have another turn myself. Whoops. I've got 3 times 2. So I might do 3 times 2. I might do a dice pattern, actually. Okay, that array there, same as a dice. 3 lots of 2 is 6. And of course, 6 is not taken. So I need to take 6 and play passes to Lola.
Wow. Not doing very well. Except for 5.
Go for it, buddy. Four groups of 5, lols. 4 groups of 5, or 5 groups of 4. Just going for an array again. What does it equal, darling?
20.
20. We count by 5s? Yep. Fantastic. 4 groups of 5 is 20. Lola, would you mark 20 on the chart? With the blue marker? Okay, wonderful. All right, so we should keep playing. I've got 1 group of 5, which is fantastic news for me. Now, I might want to mark my chart straight away and put 5 in, but of course I have to show my thinking in some way. So 1 group of 5, we might do that. And I get a 3 in a row as well. So we might just say the winner is the person who gets the next 3 in a row. Normally you play for 3 different 3 in a rows, but we'll just play for 2. Okay, Lola, look at that.
Oh,
What did you get? 3?
3 groups of 4.
3 groups of 4. Now, can you figure out what 3 groups of 4 is? And show your
12.
thinking? Show your thinking somehow.
Okay.
Maybe not an array, because you've done a couple
I
of
know.
arrays. Yep. So Lola's writing out 3 lots of 4, and you have to write the answer as well. Lola, what's the solution to 3 lots of 4? What does it equal altogether? And it equals 12. So 3 lots of 4 equals 12. That's how Lola showed her thinking. And 12's taken, Lola. So what number do you want? Go for it, bud. Fantastic. Lola's got another 3 in a row. So she's got 1, 12, and 23. Right, and of course, there's lots of ways Lola could get her third 3 in a row. But we're going to stop the demonstration there. This game's called 3 in a row lucky numbers. And it's a really nice game for exploring different ways of thinking about multiplication.